How to download Facebook Assistant on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download Facebook Assistant on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings and go down until you find download your information. Click on it and then click this select all, and now just click this one, Facebook Assistant, and then click create file. And now after you click create file, just wait and file will be created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.